Hi, my name is Christina Morgan and I am the Fine Arts Chairperson and Art Teacher here at Burke Catholic. And with me today is Miss Christina Latanzio, our wonderful music teacher. Our curriculum aligns with the New York State standards for fine arts, visual art, and music. Students need 1 full credit of fine art to graduate as per Burke Catholic. Students can fulfill that requirement by taking music classes, art classes, a combination of both. Some classes that we do offer here at Burke Catholic are band, chorus, guitar 1 and 2, studio art, drawing and painting 1 and 2, ceramics, and fashion design. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you for your time.